Oh, Christmas Day.
Yeah.
Look what Steve's made us dress up in.
The editor's little helpers. He hasn't bought us any presents though, has he?
Never got one present, have you?
No, never.
Nothing.
Uh-oh, hello.
You thought you weren't going to get anything, didn't you?
As usual,
Well,
yes.
yeah.
Oh, well, you see. Little Faith. Got you
What
some
can it
great
be?
presents.
I dread to think.
Dig in my Santa's sack here. Now, for all the very hard work you've done this year on Kitchen Garden magazine, I've got you a nice
Parsnip.
robin.
Oh, thank you.
Don't-
Generous to a fault,
So-
isn't
So you
he?
don't feel left out, Tony. Little, don't let it spoil your Christmas dinner.
Is
Don't
that
think
it?
it will, do you?
Is that it?
We got the best presents
It's got a
to come
big,
yet.
big bag and that's all we get.
What have I got? Oh, I've got a lovely new pair of secateurs. Oh, that'll do. That's fine. Thank you very much.
Oh,
Oh,
No, I'll get you best presents to come. Best presents
Yeah,
are
yeah.
to come. Emma, I've got you a nice. It's not a new iPad. You think it's a new iPad,
I
don't
do
you?
think it's new. What have you
It's
got
a
me?
digital subscription to Kitchen Garden
Oh, thank you. Well, that is worth
magazine. All
having.
nicely wrapped in tinsel.
Thank you very much.
And Tony, I've got you the paper.
oh wow.
Because I know you have trouble with technology.
Christmas edition.
Yes.
Excellent.
What
and,
a wonderful-
and look what's on the back.
Oh, it's not the back.
Oh.
A nice glossy handy calendar.
Calendar. Whee.
So
Thank you. You've redeemed yourself, boss.
Well,
don't
I'll
say
take it
never
all
give
back.
You anything.
Take it all back.
Well, only one thing to say then to the readers.
Merry
Happy Christmas.
Yeah. And a
Are
Merry
we saying
New
happy
Year.
or merry? And to all
To
our
the
readers,
readers,
Merry
Merry
Christmas
Christmas
and a Happy New Year.